So yun guys, grabe, naiiyak ako.
Sabi.
Kabalikan na kami. Yeah. Alright guys, so ayan, andito tayo sa may insurance department. So finally, after 15 days, it will be released. So ayan, it will be released, the Veloz. As you know, we had a bumper replacement. So alright, we're just waiting today. Actually, binigay ko na yung ID and stuff. Just waiting for the documents to be released. And yeah, it's all a matter of waiting. Alright guys, so Vicky Veloz is back. So ayun guys, na-repair na yung ating bumper. I mean, not na-repair. So, replacement yung bumper na to. So, itong part na to, pinaltan siya. Ito, I found out, yan pa rin siya, minount lang nila dyan. So, ito lang buong to. So, ayan o, may mga alamat pa ng mga pintura o. Pero, so, hopefully, mawala yan in the long run. So, hindi ko na masyadong sinetche-boretche. Kasi minsan talaga may mga ganyang bagay. So, yan, madumi. Yun, but overall, na-repair na yung ating damage. Pakita ko yung dati. As you can see ito, dito yung dati sa photo. So, ayan. Alright, so ayun guys, overall, kamay ko to. Everything's good. Bumper replace. So, okay na tayo. All the checklist sinek ko, wala namang mga issues na wala. So, everything looks good. So, I'm glad this is back. So, finally. Alright, so quick recap. Yung insurance ko, which is now not part of the in-house, is Quality Assurance Incorporated. So, ayan guys, wala akong naging problema sa claim, okay? 2,000 lang yung participation pay ko. And last time, dun sa windshield replacement, may representative pa sila. So, wala akong problema. But this time, wala. So, everything had to be done by me. Good thing, meron akong history ng usapan sa Viber. And it made it easier to communicate, alright? So, I could not imagine if hindi siya existing before. Alright? So, once again, nag-renew na ako. Kari-renew ko lang. And in-house na, People's General. So, yeah, overall, shoutout sa Toyota Calamba, kay Miss Faye. So, maraming salamat once again sa assistance. And yeah, so guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Veloz experience and real story. Alright, bye!